And that's the story I had. It was the middle of the night, and my mom's the one who told me. She was like, dude, they're out there taking your car, son. You better go talk to them. I'm in my underwear. It's snowing. I literally run out there, and I'm like, dude, please, can I just get my stuff out of it? And he's like, if you don't give me any problem, you give me the keys, yeah, you can get everything out of it. And I was like, thank you, dude. And I was like, damn, they really do take your shit.
Yeah.
So I had no car. So then my sister had I want to say it was a 98 or a 97 as well. It was right around there, but it was a Dodge Avenger.
Okay.
And it was cool. To me, it was
The
cool.
little 2-door one?
Yeah. It was. Which funny because the doors were so heavy. I just remember the big ass doors.
Yeah.
Back when the interior part felt like it was coming apart.
Oh, yeah.
It's all rattling and shaking and shit. One speaker's out. But my sister, I remember after they took my car, and she was like, you can have that car if you want it. And I was like, are you just going to give me her car?
Have it?
And she was like, yeah. I was like, awesome.